Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change your business name and address on your Google Ads account. Log into your Google Ads account. Click on the Settings and Billing icon. Now under Billing section, click on Settings. Scroll down. Click on the pencil icon next to Organization Name and Address. Make the necessary changes. Click Save. Changes will be applied to your Google Ads account. This is how you can change your business name and address on your Google Ads account.